Hi, my name is Montana. I'm a certified ICF coach, situational leadership, NLP, and timeline therapy trainer. Today, I'd like to talk about how to use 9 powerful questions to help yourself, your friends, your family, or even your colleague to drive a specific action or result. When someone comes to me with some issue or some challenge, quite often I find that the answer to their question is within themselves. As a coach, one of our roles is to ask powerful questions, to stimulate thinking, encourage others to stretch themselves for self-discovery, allowing the answer to surface into their awareness, help others generate solution, action from within themselves. The 9 powerful direct questions can break into 3 parts. 1. Question to identify and clarify the problem. 2. Question focused on result-oriented, solution-focused thinking and self-directed approach to explore alternative solution and action. 3. To conclude with the confirmation of the most important learning. Now, let's take a look of the 4 questions diving into the problem. 1. What would you like to talk about today? 2. What is the reason behind this? 3. What does that mean to you? 4. How important is this to you? Next, we flip it with the following 4 questions. Focus on the solutions. How will you advise someone else to handle a situation like this? What action are you going to take? When will you start taking your action? How committed are you in a scale of 1 to 10? Last, we finish with a learning confirmation question. As you reflect back on our discussion just now, what is the most important thing you have learned? Hi, how are you today? I'm good. What would you like to talk about today? Recently, I have trouble falling to sleep. I normally sleep 7 hours a day, but for the last couple of months, I always wake up in the middle of the night. Basically, my sleeping quality is pretty bad. I'm kind of tired and lack of energy at work. I'm wondering what is the reason behind this. I think maybe it's because of stress. The COVID-19. And I watch news, people die, country lockdown, business shut down, and people got laid off. I feel I'm afraid and I can't cope with this pressure anymore. I'm scared of all this uncertainty. And I'm worried that I will lose my job, and I don't even know how many months I can support myself financially if that happens. Well, first of all, I hear that you're very alert to the society and also the business environment. And I also hear that those news have an emotional impact on you. You feel stressed about the current situation. And I'm wondering, what does stressless means to you? Stress-free means that I'm confident, I'm flexible, and I have high ability to manage my emotions. Basically means I'm in control. No matter what kind of unexpected things happen, I can stay calm, stay focused, and I'm able to assess the situation and come up with alternative plan to really move things forward. On a scale of 1 to 10, how important is it to you to be in control of your own emotion? I feel it is very important to my own well-being, my health, and also my career. I feel it's on 8. So where are you now on that scale? Now, I feel I'm only on 4. Okay, from 4, where would you like to go? I feel 7 is good. How would you advise someone else to handle a situation like this, moving from 4 to 7? On one hand, I will advise my friend, be prepared. Review her wealth portfolio, the bank balance, and figure out how many cash on hand she has and what is this amount equivalent to the worth of her daily living expense. So let's say if the cash on hand is more than 12 months, then the stress level should be less. On the other hand, I will advise her to stay focused, stay positive, Although I understand it's very difficult, but it's crucial to demonstrate her value to the organization in this difficult time. Do things to show that she is willing to do what it takes to help the company to succeed. And this kind of commitment and behavior really can help to set her apart from the crowd. What else? Invest time in keeping the skills up to date, like learning new things, explore way to generate more passive income. What else? Exercise. Like me, I used to exercise every day in gym, but I stopped. I think even I stay at home, I could maintain this exercise routine. Exercise actually helped a lot in terms of improving my sleeping quality. What action are you going to take to begin changing yourself? So exercise at home daily for 45 minutes. That's number one. Number two, over the weekend, check my account balance and see how many months I can support my living expense. At work, stay positive, stay focused. And then afterward, I want to learn a new skill, elevate my video editing quality. Yeah, that's about it. When will you start taking your action? Today, I will start exercise at home today for 45 minutes. How committed are you from a scale of 1 to 10? Very committed. I'm clear and I know what to do next. And really, thanks a lot. As you reflect back on our discussion, what is the most important thing you have learned? Take actions, keep moving, focus on things that I can control, and I know there's always a way out. So stop worrying. Last, I want to say no one coaching session fits all. Most important is practice, practice, and practice. Use more open-end questions like what? What really motivates you? How? How do you see yourself? When? When will you begin? Or where you want to be? I hope you found this video useful for your personal growth and for your learning. We release this type of video every 2 weeks. And if you like it, please press the subscription button below and let us know which question you like most. Or if you have any other powerful question, share with us in the comment section. See you!